Kutools for Excel easily protect multiple Excel workbooks with password at once. Encrypt workbooks feature of Kutools for Excel. Keeping your Excel workbook secure is essential. But manually encrypting each file one by one can be time-consuming. What if you want to protect multiple workbooks at once? That's where Kutools for Excel's Encrypt workbooks feature comes in. With just a few clicks, you can batch encrypt multiple workbooks. Whether they're stored on your device, in different folders, or even in OneDrive, all using the same password. Say goodbye to repetitive tasks and hello to effortless data protection. Let's see how it works. First, navigate to the Kutools Plus tab. Then click Encrypt Workbooks. Encrypt Workbooks. A Kutools for Excel dialog box pops up, reminding you to ensure the workbooks to be processed are closed. Click OK. In the Encrypt Workbooks dialog box, click the Add button. In the drop-down menu, you can choose 4 options: Files, Folder, OneDrive Files, OneDrive Folder. Here, I select Files to choose workbooks to protect. And click Add again, then click Folder to select a folder which contains the workbooks I want to protect at once. Enter a password into the Use the following password text box. Click the eye icon can show or hide the password in the text box. Click the OK button to start protecting the workbooks. Click OK. A dialog shows the count of encrypted workbooks. Click OK. Another dialog box pops up to ask for scenario saving. Click No to close the dialog, or click Yes to save current workbook configuration as a scenario. Type a name for the scenario and click OK. Now all selected workbooks are protected with the same password at once. Now when opening the protected workbooks, you will need to enter the passwords. Kutools for Excel with more than 300 essential and advanced features. Enjoy permanently free AI features now.